Now we have seen humidity and relative humidity. What is humidity? It is the amount of moisture present in the air. That is known as humidity. How to measure this humidity? The humidity amount of moisture present in the air, that is expressed in mass per unit volume. The ratio of mass per unit volume is known as absolute humidity. So this humidity is measured by using some humidity measuring devices like psychrometer and hygrometers. These are the humidity measurement devices by which the humidity of the atmosphere is measured. This is the absolute humidity at a given temperature, that is equal to mass of moisture present in the unit volume of the air at given temperature. That is known as absolute humidity. So absolute humidity is different and relative humidity is different. The relative humidity, which is the ratio of actual vapor pressure at a given temperature to the saturation vapor pressure at the same temperature. At a particular temperature, water at a 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, at a given temperature, that actual vapor pressure is measured. For the same temperature, saturation vapor pressure is also measured. The ratio of this actual vapor pressure and saturation vapor pressure, this ratio is said to be relative humidity. The ratio command is relative humidity. So that is the ratio of EA by ES. EA is actual vapor pressure and ES is the saturation vapor pressure. Then precipitation gauges and precipitation data. Now we have seen precipitation, the term related to hydrologic cycle, precipitation. So what is precipitation? The water which comes back to the earth's surface in its various forms like rainfall, snowfall, hail, sleets, etc. or in the form of dew, frost. So that rainfall, when it comes back to the earth's surface after evaporation and transpiration, after condensation, so that water which comes